What if I told you that we've built a system that automates our entire video editing process? What if I told you that we are currently using this system to generate traffic and sell products? And guess what? We are currently managing over 20 YouTube channels and other social media platforms with this system. What if I told you that one of our systems automatically downloads long-format videos and converts them into several short videos by adding engaging captions and auto-reframing? Without us having to manually open the video editor, place the video, and spend hours editing for just one video. Most importantly, this system requires no editing knowledge, takes about half an hour to set up, and is 100% user-friendly. Welcome to the Media Conqueror Platform by the Monetizer Club, where you can learn how to use our system along with social media to build your content empire and sell your own products or others' products with the traffic you generate. How does this system work? In this system, there are 3 apps, each of which creates a specific type of content automatically. But before I tell you how the apps work, I have to show you the types of popular content they produce. I'm sure you've seen many videos like this one, short videos with gameplay. You guessed it right, these videos belong to our system or those who are in our community. So I have to show you the #1 app, Magic Slice. Just look how easy it is. Open the app, click on Crop with Gameplay, select your Videos folder, then select your Gameplays video folder, and lastly select an Output folder. After a few minutes, your video will be placed in the Output folder. All the videos are made with auto-reframing, captions, and gameplay. And if you don't want to add gameplays, just click on Crop with speech detection, and your video will look like this. Imagine if we do all this manually, it would be very painful, right? The next content that I'm sure you've seen a lot is motivational videos like these. You goddamn right. We even create these automatically. Just search TikTok for motivational quotes and download the most viewed videos and then put them in a folder. Now I have to show you app number 2, Re-Edit. Open the app, click on Browse, and choose the folder where you put the videos and then click on Transcribe. After that, in this section you have to write what images you want to be added to the new videos. And finally click on Generate Video. After a few minutes, your videos are ready with captions, zoom in effect, and related photos. The next popular content is this type of content. A video with a background and title that is used for creating fun videos and reusing other people's videos, similar to this page. This person simply posts videos from other creators in the AI category. Now let's see how we create these automatically. First, we need a background and videos. After finding the videos you want, put them in a folder, and you have to open app number 3, Clip Cover. Then choose one of the methods. The first method adds automatic titles to your videos, and with the second method, you can write the titles yourself. No matter which one you choose, after that choose the videos folder, then the background image, and lastly, the output folder. And after a short time, your video is ready in the output folder with background and title. And of course, the size of the video is not important. The program puts it in the best position. Now I want to give you our strategy. It's simple. First, we create multiple social media accounts in different categories, and we post 2 videos per day in each of them. This gives us a lot of views. Then we direct these views to the landing page of our products. When people buy from us, we make money. But there is one condition. Without our platform, this strategy cannot be implemented because we need at least 30 videos a day to run it, which means 900 videos a month. We cannot do this manually. Even AI is too expensive for this amount of videos. But I have to tell you one important thing. We only accept 100 people in this system because we don't want our method to become saturated. These 100 people receive 3 things. 1, all our apps with future updates. 2, how to use the apps and the roadmap to reach more than 1 million views every month. 3, how to get the most out of the traffics by becoming a member of our affiliate program. Does it sound fair? So what are you waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity. Invest now, enjoy next month.